Why, hey everybody, this is Hans, the Ramenator, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one from Zen Pop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramenator for a discount. This is a cup with no label, and this is the label that was on the cup. Just look at the title for the name of it. It's a long name, very long name, so... But it's a weird one. Let's see, we need 3 minutes. That's what I thought. So it's got this thing in it, like this egg-shaped crab stick affair. I'm really unsure about it. But there is our noodle block. Yeah, look at that. It almost looks like abalone. I don't know what's going on here, but I'm intrigued, so we will see how this all plays out. 3 minutes, huh? I know how to use a timer. So here we go. Hey, I didn't spill. Look at me! No spilling. Okay, so I've effectively shown you that I am able to use water. Rather, pour water. However, I have forgotten to get my bowls. So let's see, what are we going to use today? For this one, I think I need to hire somebody. You may ask, hire somebody for what position? And that position is somebody who can like rotate my bowls. Hey, can you come over and rotate my bowls? My bowls need rotating. No, I don't. It sounds funny. I need a plate too, because I'm going to make some Chongqing noodle as well. Oh, we have mango. We have a mango. I have to give it a try. But yeah, it's Friday, August 5th, I think. Does it say on here? Yep, Friday, August 5th. In 26 days, these kids out here are going to be going to school. Whoa. Crazy. And they're watching a movie and they just said crazy too. But yeah, I'm going to go to the park today and look at the waterfall and hoof it around a little bit. And yeah, I hear stomping. I like stomping. What's going on? Yeah, I knew that it was a bad idea for that lady to go to Taiwan, and it definitely ended up being a bad idea for her to go to Taiwan, because now China's mad. They're mad. You knew this would happen. You go to Taiwan, you badmouth China, they're gonna want to save face just a little bit. So it's like, I think the lack of understanding of Asian culture is what gets us into trouble like this. But we'll see how it goes. I just don't know. I really don't know. But I try to enrich myself with the knowledge of culture. Perhaps our elected officials could do so as well. That's right, timer. I agree wholeheartedly. So here is our thingy deal. Oh, that's really strange. Let's give that a stir. Submerge. I don't I really don't understand this crab stick block deal, but I'm gonna give it a try. If it wants to be tried, it seems to be kind of refusing slightly. Here we are. Okay, I'm unsure on that at this point. Our noodle. And our broth. It's got a bit of like a cornstarch thickness to it. That's interesting. I would say this is... Oh, sorry. And it's plugged in. She didn't make a smoothie yesterday, ladies and gentlemen. So, but it came unplugged from that side. That's no good. Always a fan of my wife making smoothies. Sometimes Rotato gets unplugged and unreplugged. I'm capable of replugging it back in, but I try to make sure that if it is unplugged, that I replug it back in before our time together here. Yeah, I'm really fascinated by this little funny patty looking thing. It looks totally like abalone, but it said it's crab stick. Come on, give me a little. Give me just there we go. I'm not getting crab stick. I'm getting bready, almost like flour foo, but not flour foo. Very thick stuff. Very thick stuff. Yeah, not exactly enamored. Not put off, but not. It's like a really cornstarchy, thick, saucy kind of shoyu. So let's put a little slice of chashu on it, and then let's take a blowtorch to that, and let's. No, play the music. Here's our smooth blowtorch music. Oh yeah. Yeah. A little bit of springy. Need to get more Narutomaki. I've been out of Narutomaki for a little while. Shichimi. Alright, let's do what we do with our friend Rotato. Not bad, but not, yeah, it's interesting. Now, that piece in the middle is a weird thing. Doesn't sell me. Next up, we'll have the last of my Uncle Yeah varieties. This is a Chongqing noodle. It's made in China for the U.S. market. As you can see, it has compliant nutrition facts on the back. So this wouldn't be sold in China this way. That's why it's being listed as a U.S. product in the review itself. Yeah, I'm sure that a lot of the crap that I do really confuses people, but, you know. Anyways, that's coming up tomorrow. Have a good one.